guys, welcome back to my channel. Here again with the same look, but because today I have for you guys this very pretty and pink makeup tutorial. I don't usually do Valentine's Day theme makeup, but this year I was like, you know what? Why not? Do it, girl. I was very inspired by these earrings. I was like, you know what? Those earrings call for a very cute, very pretty and pink makeup. I wanted to do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, but like an affordable one from using everything from the drugstore. Now, I was on the right track until I got to the eyeshadow part. I don't have very many drugstore eyeshadow palettes. I feel like I should pick up more, but I just don't know which ones are like really good. I only have two Wet n Wild ones, but they didn't have like this specific pink color that I wanted. And my James Charles times Morphe palette does. It literally has that same pink as my earrings. Super, super pretty. So I decided to use this palette. So this is the only thing that I didn't use that's from the drugstore, and my foundation and concealer, because I was doing a review on that day. I started off with a review on these products. So if you haven't watched that review and you want to know what I think about these products, it's a video before this, or I will leave the link in the description below. But yeah, those are the three products that I use that are not drugstore. But I still feel they're pretty affordable. Like the foundation's $18, the concealer's only $9, and the palette is super versatile. It has colors that I feel like a lot of you guys might have in your collection already. So if you have like a pink, bright pink, light pink, you know, you can use them and go along and follow along with the tutorial. So yeah, the glitter shadow things I did use are from the drugstore, so I got you guys on that. Yeah, I really, really like this look. I feel like this is definitely a look I would go out on Valentine's Day with my girlfriend, you know, because it's super pretty, super cute, but it's still, the lashes make it look a little extra sexy. The eyeliner, I like it. I was very, very, really feeling it. Now, I wasn't going to do like a bright pink lipstick. I wanted to do something very toned down on the lips so I can leave all the attention on the eyes and the highlighter. And I did do kind of like a half cut crease. The more I can practice this cut crease, the better for me, and the more I can start, you know, really getting it down and really learning the technique, which I'm very excited for. I would say this is my second successful cut crease, and girl, I'm coming for that cut crease. So if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching.
Next level. Next level.
So starting off with this makeup tutorial on the eyes, this is the look we are going for. Very pink and glittery and sparkly, a touch smoky, but not, you know, too much. Just mainly focused on the pink. I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. And now I'm going to take this color right here, which is a baby pink. Now this is a very light shade. It is a baby pink shade, obviously. So I'm just going to go in a few times with this color on my crease, blending it upwards as like my transition shade. And I am going to be applying a few layers of this color just so I can actually see it, because it is a very light shade on me. Now I'm going to go in this very vibrant electric pink right here, and I'm going to be taking the brush, the Luxie brush 229, a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to apply this color in my crease, blending it upward. And this is just a very pretty pink shade. It's a very electric pink shade, and obviously I was definitely inspired by my earrings. The color of my earrings, I was like, oh my gosh, the James Charles palette has this exact color. And I was like, I need to do like a very pretty and pink makeup look, Valentine's Day. I don't normally do like makeup looks inspired like on Valentine's Day, but I wanted to, you know, do one this year, step out of my comfort zone of not wanting to do one because everyone's going to do one. But, you know, here I am having this makeup look for you guys. I feel like I want to have more tutorials because I have like reviews back to back, reviews and hauls back to back. So I want to mix in the tutorials because definitely makeup is right up there. One of my, like, actually doing the makeup is one of my biggest passions, and I enjoy it so much. Doing my makeup is very therapeutic for me. It's very relaxing. It's so much fun for me. And doing it in a tutorial form is also fun because I am still actually, you know, applying the makeup and doing it on myself. Now I'm going to take this berry cranberry shade right here, which is one of my favorite colors. And I'm going to be using the same Luxie brush. And I'm going to focus that color more on the outer V area. So I'm going to tap the color on there and make sure I like saturate that outer V with that color, and then I'll start blending it after I have already pressed the color into the skin. And I want to do kind of like a cut crease, as you can see on this side. You know, I'm still practicing on the cut creases. Kind of feel like I'm getting the hang of it. So the more I can do to practice, the better, and the merrier for me. But that berry shade is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. Now I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here. I was going to use a dark one, but I feel it's going to be too dark and it's going to make the look a little too smoky. So I'm just going to take this one for an added like touch of smokiness or touch of darkness. I'm only going to take a little bit and apply it again on that V area if my camera would focus. There we go. So I'm going to tap it again so most of the color can focus in that area and it won't be too high on the crease. Now I'm going to take my Morphe M505 brush, and I'm going to blend everything together so we can have a very nice gradient look and blend to the makeup. Like so. Now I'm going to go again and add more of the berry shade right here. I love this shade. And again, I'm going to, my camera just can't get it together. Hello girl, get it together. There we go. Thank you. I'm going to pack that color on the outer V area again and just, you know, pack it on there. Now I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush, and this is a base shadow brush. It's very fluffy. I like these to blend because they blend the shadow out very nicely since they're a little longer, but they're still like fluffy enough to blend everything very, very nicely. I really like these. I have a bunch of these from all different sets I've bought from Real Techniques, and this is like one of my favorite brushes because they blend so good. Like so. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with the glitter application. Now I'm going to be using a Milani liquid shadow, and this is a Hypnotic Lights in the color Starlight, and this is a holographic eye topper. Now I layered 2 liquid shadows, that's why it looks so bright and like glittery and sparkly, because I would say this is more of a holographic color, and I think I like it better to layer it on top of a shadow. I'm going to do exactly what I did on this side already because I don't want to change it up, so you know it'll look different. But next time I will definitely just layer this shade onto like a deep color for a different look, because on its own, to wear it as just like a liquid shadow like I usually do, I don't feel like this is the best thing to do that with. And definitely I should have paid attention that it says it's an eye topper and not like a liquid shadow. I feel like it's a little bit different. It's more sheer and it has more of a holographic look to it, as opposed to this Pixie one, which I'm going to layer on top. This is the color Crystalline, and this is their liquid fairy lights. This is super, super sparkly, and it does add more of a color coverage. Even though it's white, it adds more of a white color coverage to the lid as opposed to this one. I'm trying this one out, so that's why, you know, it is what it is. We're here already. So as you can see, this is more like a very liquidy holographic color. Now I know a lot of people know how to do cut crease, and I'm just, you know, learning. But something that I found super helpful is that if I apply color to my lid and I can't find where to go with the cut crease, I will apply color and then I'll open my eye and I'll see where the color sticks to up here, and I'll use that as a guideline to take my cut crease all the way up there. So just a little tip if you didn't know it. If you did, it's all good. I am just learning, like I said. Then I'm just gonna drag and pull the color a little. I'm not gonna take it all the way to the crease, to the outer crease, because we are going to just do kind of like a half cut crease. And I'm going to wait for this color to dry before I apply the sparkly shade from Pixie. But as you can see, it looks more pinky and holographic as opposed to this side, which looks more sparkly and way more glittery. So I'm just going to wait to let it dry, and then I'll apply the Pixie one. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply the Pixie shade. I'm going to apply it with the applicator, but if it's a little hard for you, you can go ahead and use the same brush. I will be using both just to show you guys. So I'm going to pat it so I can get the glitter out and the little flecks and sparkles. And then if you want to use this brush, I like to brush the product up so I can get it all on the brush, like so. And then I'll go ahead and start applying it. And again, I'll do the same patting motions because it's easier and it brings out the little glitter glitter flecks in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and let this dry. That's why I'm not opening my eye, but I'm going to apply wing liner and lashes. You don't have to apply wing liner, but I feel like it would give the look a more, you know, sexy, sultry vibe to it. So I'm going to So what did you guys think of this tutorial? Did you like it? Did you enjoy it? I hope you guys did. I like this look so much. I'm obsessed with it. I would definitely rock it on Valentine's Day, like I said. Maybe not with the earrings. I would wear something more like a hoop because I'm a hoop kind of girl. But yeah, these are super cute. They definitely would be very, you know, what's the word? They would be perfect on Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your support. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook. You can find me on all of them. MakeupByMisela. And yeah, I love chatting with you guys on there. So follow me, message me, whatever you want. And like always, thank you guys for all your support. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.